Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you embed a product video into your ThriveCart checkout page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want a product video in your checkout page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that having a product video can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and it's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to embed a product video into one of your checkout pages, here on the top, click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll down to the product that you want to add a video about the product to. So for example, this one right here, and click on edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the product edit screen, but you want to click up here on the top. You see these four options, click on checkout. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the launch editor. Okay, now in order to embed a product video into the checkout page up here at the top, make sure you are on the cart page. And then what you want to do is scroll to the general area that you want the product video to show up. So for me, I want it to be right around here near the pricing. And then what you're going to do is just on the left, make sure that you have this menu and you want to click on elements. Once you click on elements, look for video. And then all you're going to do is just drag the video on over to where you want it. And you can see that we can drop it here, and you're going to see these kind of turquoise lines or polka dots, but I'm going to drag it over here on this side because I want it over here by the pricing. So I'm going to drop it right there. Okay, now we have the player set up. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and increase the size of the player so that looks better. And we're going to need the embed code here. So the embed code can come from a Loom video. It could come from a YouTube video, and the video doesn't even need to be yours as long as they have the share feature turned on. So let me pull up one of my YouTube videos. Okay, so I just pulled up one of my YouTube videos, and what you're going to do is scroll down until you see this. Go ahead and click on there. All right. And we're going to need the embed code. So click on embed. Okay, here is the data that we need. So just highlight all this and copy it to your clipboard. And now we can go back here to ThriveCart, and we're going to go ahead and paste in the product video there. And as you can see, the thumbnail automatically appears right there. So like I told you earlier, you can use any YouTube video as long as they have that share feature. I wouldn't really recommend using anyone else's video, because what'll happen is if they delete that YouTube video, then you're going to end up with a broken link. Okay, so now we have added in a product video in our ThriveCart checkout page. So I'm going to click next here on the top right and complete. Okay, next what we're going to do is scroll to the bottom and then click on save and get URL. Okay, now if you want to see what it looks like, click on view checkout. Okay, so here is my ThriveCart checkout page, and as you can see, we added a video right here, and we can click on it and it'll start playing. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a product video into one of your ThriveCart product checkout pages, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.